Hello everyone, today let's learn how to create a card flipping effect. Card flipping is often seen in games or lottery applications. By simulating the flipping of cards, the effect can be made more realistic. Let's take a look at the effect to be achieved. Click on the back of the poker, it moves to the right and flips to the other side. First, let me set up the widgets. We need a dynamic panel that has two states. State 1 is a gray rectangle representing the back of the poker, and State 2 is an image representing the front of the poker. Duplicate several dynamic panels. Next, let's create the widgets. Drag in a gray rectangle and create it as a dynamic panel. Add a new state, drag an image widget into State 2, and import the image. Then add a click interaction to it. Move this by 200 px and add 200 milliseconds linear animation. Set the dynamic panel state to next, check wrap from last to first, and add flip right 1000 milliseconds animation. Then bring this to front. Then we copy several cards. In State 2, import different poker images and stack them together. Preview the prototype, click the card, and you can see the animation of the card flipping and moving to the right. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.